Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Facebook Marketplace seller login issues, account restrictions step by step clearly.
Begin by checking your internet connection.
Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or cellular data.
Next, open the Facebook app or website.
Attempt to log into your account and check for any error messages. If you encounter an error, take note of the specific message displayed. If you are locked out due to account restrictions, visit the Facebook Help Center. Search for account restrictions to find related articles.
Follow the steps provided to appeal any restrictions placed on your account.
If your account is compromised, select the Find Help option on the Help page.
Follow the prompts to secure your account by changing your password. After securing your account, log back into Facebook.
Once logged in, navigate to the Facebook Marketplace.
If access is still restricted, review Facebook's commerce policies.
Ensure that your listings comply with their policies to avoid further issues. If necessary, submit an appeal regarding the marketplace restrictions. Wait for Facebook to review your appeal and respond.
Check your email for any updates from Facebook regarding your account.
While waiting, clear the app cache or browser cache if you're using a web browser.
This can sometimes resolve technical glitches affecting your login.
After implementing these steps, try logging into Facebook Marketplace again. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Facebook support directly.
Document any error messages or issues you encounter for reference.
Stay patient, as resolution times may vary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.